everybody, this is Judy Barsamian-Armstrong with Keller Realty Central Coast. I'm here at 1191 Barnette Rd in Orcutt, California for an open house today from 11 to 2. So come take a look, write an offer. It's a single level, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Now I'm going to take you on a tour. Here we go. This is a look at the outside. It's a 2-car garage. It's got a large driveway. And on the left side there of the garage, you can drive to the backyard, actually. There's beautiful sago palm here, plumerias lining the sidewalk here. Beautiful. Look at this tree. It's so beautiful, really shady. And now we're going to head inside. Okay, so here we go. We're headed inside. You have a nice screen door here in the front to help keep insects out. This little closet here is for the heating unit, and then you have an entry closet here for storage. This is your living room, dining area all together. Got nice laminate flooring. You have a gas starting fireplace, beautiful skylight, a lot of natural light in here. Gonna head into the kitchen. Got nice stainless steel appliances, a beautiful large sink here, stainless steel sink, nice subway tile and glass tile for the backsplash. One really cool point here is you look really close at this outlet. It's not just a regular outlet, it also has areas for USB cable. So how cool is that? You've got fans throughout. Got a nice little breakfast area here where you can have 4 stools all the way around, give you a little more room. I've got some ice water and cookies. Had a lot of traffic through here today. If you're interested, you better come by quick and take a look. Got a beautiful large backyard, sliding doors. It sits on about a 1/4 acre here. Plenty of room and a blank slate out there. You can do whatever you want. Really nice. We're going to head now through the hallway to the bedrooms. This is about a 1,274 square foot home. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Here's your linen closet. We're going to go to the right here. This is the first bedroom. There you go. A closet here. And then we'll head down to the second bedroom. Like I said, fans throughout, a lot of natural light. There you go. You got a second bathroom here, tile flooring. And the tile flooring and the rest were updated. The tub and tile were not in this room. We go into the master bedroom. You've got a beam across. Got a lot of windows here, a lot of natural light. Got a fan in here too. Got a closet here. It's got a single rod, but you could put a second rod in and have more room for clothes. Then you've got a larger closet over here with 2 doubles, a single for dresses, and then you have a bathroom. It's on the smaller size, but it's just got enough. Got your toilet, your sink, and a nice shower. Garage, there's storage up above. Really nice. You have access to the backyard from here and also to the home. Have a great day. Give me a call.